getting your hair and makeup done. Hey Steve, where are you going? This is how prom was? Yeah.
How you feeling?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Yeah.
May there be peace in our home. May we be blessed with good fortune, health, and happiness. And may our devotion to each other ennoble us. I, Vicky Ann, to be no other than yourself. Loving what I know of you, trusting what I do not yet know.
I promise to be ever open to you, and above all, to do everything in my power to help you become the person you are meant to be.
Stevie, you may kiss your bride.